Hey guys, it's Russ. Welcome back to Lawn Journeys. Today we're going to be putting together my new spreader. Okay guys, thanks for coming back. Please subscribe to the channel and leave some comments. Let me know what you think of the spreader that we're going to be talking about today. I have been using a Scott's Edge Guard spreader. It's pretty much shot. The cable for the edge guard is broken. The wheels are about ready to fall off. I spread about 8,000 square feet when I do a treatment. I end up usually spreading something probably on a monthly basis, and we'll get through that this season if you guys stick around. So anyway, what I did is I looked at a bunch of reviews online. Everybody's talking about different kinds of spreaders. I chose the Earthway 2600A+. And it was funny because I ordered it from Amazon. It was literally here in 2 days. When it arrived, I opened the box. I took a picture. The picture is going to be here somewhere. I put it on Instagram. I said, I spy, what is this? And I said it wasn't a contest, but I don't know. Within a couple minutes or a couple hours, Lawn Whisperer hit it. Earthway 2600A+. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So good job on your part there, Lawn Whisperer. So anyway, we're going to do a time lapse today. I'm going to put the spreader together. We're going to take a look at it. I was hoping that I'd be able to spread my pre-emergent outside today. I'm in the Northeast, in the state of New Jersey. It's a little bit cold here today, unfortunately, and we've just had some rain. My ground's kind of saturated. So, basically listening to what other folks are saying, I'm going to let it dry out for a couple days and then get it down and get it watered in later next week. We're supposed to be getting a little bit of rain, nothing major, so I'm going to get her soaked in. I usually put my pre-emergent down in the middle of March, usually around March 15th. I was thinking of getting it in a little bit early this year just because it's been kind of warm here in New Jersey. However, today the ground's frozen. Go figure. Okay, so we're going to check out the box and we're going to put this thing together and let me know what you think. Oh, and if you can see her, this is my cat. She's about 10 years old. She's a maniac, and she follows me around, sits on my lap, and she's constantly eating. Wish I could eat as much as she does. Okay, guys, as you can see, we're going to be working in my garage today because it's a little bit too cold outside. Here's the box. We don't have the best light going here, but I just wanted to show you what it looked like and how it was packed before assembly. Okay, it doesn't look too pretty on my garage floor, but as you can see, this is everything that was in the box. So we have instructions, we have the frame, we have the 40-pound hopper, we have the 2 pneumatic tires, which obviously is the most interesting part for me. Here is the propeller with a little kind of groove in it that's hopefully going to throw my material out, the little gearbox that's going to rotate on the axle. Here is the interior of the hopper. It's the Earthway, and we can see what the mechanism looks like underneath. This does have an edge guard like mechanism on it, which what it does is it closes 2 of the holes on one side if the edge guard is on, and it only throws it forward and to the right. Okay, so not to waste a lot of time, we're going to put this thing together in a time lapse. Okay, got the frame together, got the axle on with the transmission here in the center, our little thrower. There's these little plastic bearings that you have to bang in on each side of the frame here. The instructions were numbered but not perfectly clear. I had a little problem getting the axle in if I had both bearings on first. So I ended up taking this arm off. Then I put the bearing on it, and then I put it back on the axle and then re-secured it. So now we're going to put the wheels on. Okay, we have the axle installed. We have the drive wheel here, which is going to turn this, the spreader. This is our coast wheel. This one just rolls independently, and it's held on with a cotter pin. Okay, so we have it fully assembled. I do like the pneumatic wheels. Probably took me an hour. I don't think the instructions were that perfect. There was a couple things I changed up just to do things in a little bit of a different order. But as you can see, she's fully assembled. Everything's turning. I'm able to open and close the spreader. Okay, so things have come together. We're fully assembled. Overall build quality, I'd say, is good. I think I was expecting something maybe a little bit more hardy, but I have to say I think this is going to be a lot better than my Scott's Edge Guard, especially I like the tires. I'm going to go outside and push it around on the lawn for a few minutes. I'm not going to spread anything today because, like I said, the weather outside is not ideal, and I'm expecting some more rain, so I don't want to get my pre-immersion down yet. However, when I am ready, I have my Anderson's Barricade DG ready to rock and roll. This bag's going to be enough to cover my entire property. I may hit it again in a month with the liquid. I've been, tuning into some of the other channels and taking some advice from people, and I want to try it this year. Normally, I only do the pre-emergent in the spring, and like I said in my first video, I did do a fall pre-emergent with the same product, the Anderson's Barricade DG. And I'm going to lay this out again probably in the next week or two, as soon as the weather breaks a little. My soil temperatures are still low. I know everyone's working off the 55-degree rule. So anyway, and then I'm thinking like a month later I'll hit it with a liquid. I'm not sure exactly what that liquid is going to be. I'm looking at a couple different products and talking to a couple people. And it's a journey, so that's what this is all about. So I'm going to take this out. We're going to push it around for a minute. Like I said, we'll come back and we'll talk about how I like the actual spreading once I do get an opportunity to spread the Barricade. Okay guys, that's it for today. Let me know what you think if you guys have an Earthway. I'm going to be rolling with this 2600 this season. And like I said, in a couple weeks, hopefully a couple days, we'll be putting down a Barricade product. And that's my wind chimes. It's a little windy here. I'll be sharing that experience with you guys. And I'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and leave some comments. Let me know, what you guys think of this. Or I know the spiker spreaders are really cool. Again, that was a little bit above my price point, but I think this is a big improvement over my little plastic wheels on my Scott's Edge Guard. So I'm looking forward to using it this season. See you next time.